Happy birthday, woman of God. I just want to thank the Lord for this day. Thank you for being such an inspiration. Thank you for being my mentor. Thank you for being my loving mama. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being a mighty woman of God. Thank you for who you are. And I just want to take this moment to celebrate this day. May the Lord shower His blessings upon you, Mama. Wishing you an amazing birthday, Mama. May you have the best birthday ever, and we can't wait to see you.
Yes, Mama. I cannot imagine the weight that you carry standing alongside with the mighty prophet of God. We are grateful for the role you play. We are thankful to God that the daughters around the world have someone like you that they can watch and learn from, and that the same grace is available to them. All the way from Canada, from the bottom of our heart, we wish you the best birthday ever. Happy birthday, Mama.